What's up, folks? Welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show how you can turn on or turn off replies to Instagram stories right from your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. First of all, open up Instagram on your iPhone. Then, tap on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Next, tap the hamburger menu icon from the upper right corner of the screen. And then, tap on Settings and Privacy from here. After that, scroll down a little and find Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap on Story Replies. If you want to turn off Story Replies, select Don't Allow Story Replies from these options. However, if you want to turn it on, just tap Allow Story Replies from everyone. Then, anyone can reply to your story, whether they follow you or not. So that's how you turn on or turn off replies to Instagram stories right from your iPhone. Found this video useful? Make sure to hit like. Want more Instagram tips and tricks? Subscribe now. Thanks for being here. Catch you in the next one.